Hello everyone, this is Tiff and I'm back with another video on how to DIY your very own galaxy in a bottle. To make your own nebula jar, you need acrylic paints and a bottle of any kind. I used a small plastic one, some cotton, a couple of containers, store water, and of course glitter of your choice. To start off, squeeze a couple of different colors into the containers, mix, and add some water to dilute them. Now tear off a piece of cotton into smaller strips. Stuff them into the mouth of the bottle. Pour your first color in and squash it down using a brush. Now add some more paint until you're satisfied, but don't leave it too watery. Next, add in your first layer of glitter. I chose purple, and using a brush, spread it to the side so that it will be seen after you add your second layer. Add in more cotton, and this will be your second layer. Now I'm going to dilute the first color, pink, by watering it down and adding some white. So now it's a sort of rosier, lighter pink, and I'm squashing everything down, adding more cotton so that it's not too watery, and let the cotton absorb all the paint. Now I'm adding my third layer, which is the blue color paints. Then I'm flattening everything down, adding some blue glitter, and spreading it to the sides. See how the glitter spreads to the sides once you add in the next layer? If you leave it in the middle, it won't be seen. So you got to spread the glitter out. Now for my next layer. Don't be stingy with your cotton, because if there's less cotton, it's more watery. And if it's more watery, the paint colors will mix together and you won't get the separate layers and it won't look so nice like this. Add as much glitter as you want so it will be seen on the sides. Now you notice there are some holes or air spaces in your bottle. This can be easily fixed. All you've got to do is take your brush and use the end of it and push the cotton to the area where there is a gap or an air pocket, and this will cause it to flatten against the bottle, and see, the problem is gone. This is how you get rid of those annoying spaces in between your cotton, by adding more cotton and flattening it against the bottle. Just keep pushing it down, adding more glitter and more cotton and more paint, and this is basically how you make your own DIY galaxy in a bottle. And your beautiful galaxy in a jar is finished. Please like this video for more awesome galaxy videos, the galaxy DIYs, and don't forget to